Dear students, good morning. I am sure you are all doing fine at home and are observing complete stay at home to avoid yourselves and your family from the dangers of this pandemic COVID-19. May Allah protect us all from this dangerous epidemic. Since this e-learning is quite new to all of you, that's why we had allocated the first 2 weeks of our new academic session for the revision and review of the topics which you had learnt earlier in your previous classes. We hope you are all very much familiar with the e-learning system of education initiated by the school management to make up the deficiency of your education during this stay-at-home situation. Now we hope you have got very much familiar with this e-learning system. So it's time to kickstart the new topics for the next session. So, let's begin with our first topic of English language, which is noun and its types.
Well, dear students, let's begin with our first topic of English language, which is noun and its types. In this lesson you will get to know 1. What is noun? 2. How many types of noun are there in English language? 3. What are the names, definitions and identifications of those types of noun? 4. How to use and identify different types of noun in sentences. 5. And in the end you will get to have a hand-on activity related to the topic. 6. And of course a worksheet for homework. Nouns are an important part of speech in English, probably second only to verbs. It is difficult to say much without using a noun. There are several different types of English nouns. It is often useful to recognize what type a noun is because different types sometimes have different rules. This helps you to use them correctly. You all know the definition of noun. Noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, thing or an idea. For example, Ali is the name of a person. Doha is the name of a place. Table is the name of a thing. Beauty or honesty is the name of an idea. So the words like Ali, Doha, table and beauty or honesty are nouns as they are words used to name a person, place, thing or an idea. Following are the types of nouns. 1. Proper noun. 2. Common noun. 3. Material/concrete noun. 4. Abstract noun. 5. Collective noun. 6. Countable noun. 7. Uncountable noun. Word proper means one's own. Proper nouns are the specific names of persons and places. They start with capital letters. For example, Tony Blair, China, Qatar, Islam, etc. The capital of Italy is Rome. Let me introduce you to Mary. He is the chairman of the British Broadcasting Corporation. I was born in November. Common noun. Word common means shared by all of the same class. Common nouns are the names given in common to all persons, places or things of the same class. For example, boy, paper, frog, bicycle, atom, etc. Have you seen my dog? The books are on your desk. Material, concrete nouns. They are mostly the names of objects and animals, countable, and substances or materials, uncountable. These are physical things that you can touch. For example, cake, oxygen, iron, boy, dog, pen, glass, pomegranate, earthworm and door are all concrete nouns. We bought new furniture for our house. In this sentence the word furniture is material or concrete noun. My pen was stolen yesterday. In this sentence the word pen is material or concrete noun. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns name qualities, ideas and feelings. They can't be touched or seen. For example, poverty, bravery, length, width, cleanliness, beauty, etc. He has great strength. Sometimes it takes courage to tell the truth. Their lives were full of sadness. Many abstract nouns are derived from adjectives and verbs and have characteristic endings such as ity, ness, ens, enshin. For example, intelligent equals intelligence, frustrate equals frustration. Clean equals cleanliness. So to sum up, noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. Proper, common, concrete, abstract, collective, countable and uncountable nouns are the different types of nouns. We have gone through all these types. Hope you understand them quite fully. Now in the end you have a homework worksheet. Each sentence contains a noun/nouns underlined. Applying your understanding of the topic, you are supposed to state which type of noun is the underlined noun in each sentence. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you all for your passive listening. Goodbye for now. Take very good care of you and have a nice day ahead.